In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bundles in Wix. If you have a Wix store and you're looking to enhance your sales strategy, creating bundles can be a fantastic approach. Not only does it offer a great deal to your customers, but it also encourages them to purchase more items. Let's dive into the process, starting with creating a bundle category. First, you'll want to navigate to your site's dashboard. Once you're in there, find the section labeled Store Products. Under this section, look for Categories and click on it. You'll see an option to Add New Category. Go ahead and select that. Now, it's time to name your category. For example, you might want to call it Beauty Bundle if you're offering a combination of beauty products. Once you've named it, add the products that you want to include in this bundle. What's great here is that you can choose a variety of items that you think will work well together and appeal to your customers. With the category set up, the next step is to set up the bundle discounts. Still in the Store Products section, navigate to Discounts and then press Add New Discount. For this, you're going to choose the option for an automatic discount. This is where it gets exciting. Select the bundle category you just created and decide on your discount conditions. For instance, you might offer a 10% discount when a customer purchases 3 items from the bundle. This automatic discount will apply as soon as the conditions are met, making the process seamless for your customers. Once your discounts are in place, you'll want to make sure that customers can actually see this fantastic offer on your site. You have the option to create a new page dedicated to your bundle, or if you prefer, you can use an existing page. On this page, incorporate a product gallery and be sure to filter it so that it only displays products from your newly created bundle category. This way, visitors can easily see and access the bundle. It's a good idea to add some compelling images and engaging text to promote the bundle. This is your opportunity to tell a story about the bundle, explain why it's such a great deal, and entice your customers to make that purchase. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create an appealing bundle in Wix that not only provides value to your customers, but also boosts your sales. Bundling products is a tried and true strategy, and with Wix's user-friendly tools, it's a straightforward process that's sure to benefit your business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!